All right, the big reveal is just about here. The assembly continuing on. The little Rugrats have no idea. Abraham Acosta just out those doors, waiting for the big reveal. Let's cross our fingers.
Harley has on a flag shirt because, boys and girls, we have a very special surprise this morning for one of our students.
I get to see my two boys.
How long's it been?
It has been about 7 months.
Think they'll cry?
I think so.
They're criers? Are you a crier?
I don't know.
We're gonna find out?
Usually I'm not, but I haven't seen them for so long.
And we would like to welcome back Captain Acosta. Come on in, Dad. Everybody give a round of applause. Welcome. Captain Acosta has a son in kindergarten, Abraham Acosta. Abraham, where are you? Come on up, bud. Come see Dad.
Hi, Daddy.
And also, boys and girls, we have older brother Diego, who is here visiting us this morning, who is also getting to see Dad. Welcome back.
Was it as good as you thought?
Oh yeah, it was even better.
It was emotional, happy, just being surprised in general. Being happy is home.
How did you feel when you saw Daddy? Happy. You were happy? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, were you guys all surprised?
Very.
You lied. You lied to everybody. You weren't surprised at all. It was a good lie. Was it a good lie,
It
Abraham?
was definitely worth it.
Oh my gosh, what do you think, Diego?
Yeah, it was surprising.
And now you get to head home. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Have fun.